Okay, so the question wants us to determine how much time passes before the police car overtakes the speeder. But we know the initial speed for the police car is 95 km per hour. If we convert it to meter per second, it's 26.39 meter per second. And the speed for speeder is 135 km per hour. If we convert it to meter per second, it's 37.5 meter per second. So we finally have an equation that will satisfy all these conditions, which is v final square over vi square over 2a is equal to v times t plus 1. Well, v final is the final speed of the police car after speeding. Okay, vi is the initial speed of the police car, a is the acceleration, v here is the speed of the speeder, t is the time that need to take to pass the speeder, and 1 second here is the because the it said 1 second after the speeder passes, the police just start accelerating. So that means during this 1 second, the speeder already traveled certain distance. Okay, which is the v times 1 second. Okay, so we have this equation here, and if we expand it, we'll have we find out which is vi plus at. Okay, we find out is equal to initial speed plus the acceleration times time, and then whole thing squared minus vi squared. Okay, over 2a is equal to vt plus v. Okay, and let me put the units here. So this is 1 second. So vt times plus v times 1 second. Okay, and vi. Let me see. So we have vi plus at to the power squared minus vi squared, and this can be equal to 2vi plus at times at over 2a is equal to vt plus v times 1 second. Okay, as you can tell here, a can be canceled out. Okay, and this will give us 2vit plus at squared is equal to 2vt plus 2v times 1 second. So therefore, we can move everything on the left side. We'll have at squared plus 2vit minus 2vt plus 2v times 1 second is equal to 0. If now we plug in all these values, we have 2.60 meter per second squared times t squared plus 2 times 26.39 meter per second times t minus 2 times 37.5 meter per second times t plus 2 times you know what, let me include both of them. Okay, because there's not much space here, so let me do something like this. So it's just minus 2 times 37.5 meter per second times t plus 1 second is equal to 0. Okay, and then we'll have 2.60 meter per second squared times t squared plus 2 times 26.39 meter per second times time minus 2 times 37.5 meter per second times time plus minus 2 times 37.5 meter per second times 1 second is equal to 0. And this will give us 2.60 meter per second squared times t squared plus 52.78 meter per second times time minus 75 meter per second times time minus 75 meter is equal to 0. Okay, and this will give us 2.60 meter per second squared times t squared is equal to plus, actually it's minus, sorry about that, so it's minus 22.22 meter per second times t minus 75 meter is equal to 0. So I combine the t terms here, which is 52.78 meter per second minus 75 meter per second, and this will give us negative 22.22 meter per second. Okay, and use this formula, we have negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so we need to find the a, b, c from the equation above. And so eventually we have t is equal to 22.22 meter per second plus and minus square root 22.22 meter per second and the whole thing squared. Oops, sorry about that. Plus 4 times 75 meter times 2.6 meter per second squared over 2 times 2.6 meter per second squared. Okay, and eventually we'll need the positive number because the negative number doesn't make sense. Okay, because there's no negative seconds. Okay, so we'll have just simply 22.22 meter per second plus square roots 22.22 meter per second and the whole thing squared plus 4 times 75 meter times 2.6 meter per second squared over 2 times 2.6 meter per second squared. Okay, and this will give us the times about 11.14 second. Okay, so it will take about 11.14 second to catch the speeder. Okay, and this is the answer for the question. Thank you.